Hey, what up? It's part 2 of the unboxing where we open up the vinyls and we have a little geese. Okay, how are we doing this? Uh, uh, uh. Alright, we opening it. We opening it. Yes. Headhunter. Alright. Beautiful, nice, thick, black vinyl. Alright, now we've got Blood Wolf. Let's have a geese. Let's have a geese. I'm so excited. Blood Wolf, here we go. This is going to be a really cool color. Oh, yeah. Oh. Completely opaque. I don't know if you can't see properly, but that thing is completely... Damn. Okay. And then we will do acceptance speech, and then finish off with instant gratification. Or maybe if you're lucky, we'll look at that horrible Of Mice and Men record. Okay, but here's acceptance speech. We just slip her in, and we go for it. Because we're crazy. We're absolutely crazy. Okay, we've done it. We've broken in. Oh yeah, there's just download codes in there. But here we go. Ooh, number 6. Number 6, acceptance speech. Beautiful. Another beautiful vinyl. Okay, alright, you've behaved. You've done well. It's time for instant gratification. Give me that. I want in. Give it. Alright. We're in. We're in. Boys and girls, we're in. And we want to be. Okay. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh. Ooh, this has got some extras in it. Oh, it's got a lyric sheet with more artwork. Nice. I follow this dude on Instagram. He's crazy. So crazy. It just might work. As they say in the best movie of all time. And this is just another black vinyl. So we won't get it out because we're boring. We will get it out because we're actually educating the viewers. And that's just what good people do. Okay. Stop it. Number 7. Here we go. Number 7. Number 7. Instant gratification. Okay, the last one. Lucky last. Not really. It's going to be painful to open and look at. Of Mice and Men. What's this called? Of Mice and Men Stinko. Hold on. What's it called? Cold World. Oh. Limited edition first pressing. Oh, they gave me this for free. Fucking hell. Thanks, Raz Records, for driving everything into the ground. You shills. You bad people. Game of War. The Lie. Alright. Awful artwork inside. Gosh. Nah, I'm like 7 years old and I like Raz Records. I like Of Mice and Men. What do I do with this? Maybe I'll snap it in a future video. That'd be pretty cool. I don't know. Peace out, though. We done.